guys, is Salim's Vortech Supercharged 350Z. What are you doing there?
Giving it all the starting fluid I can.
Okay, let's see. The fair lady Z.
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Not bad.
That was easier than I thought.
So wait, Salim said he wanted you to get it starting, right?
Yeah.
Done.
Started.
What's all the smoke?
I don't know.
Oil?
Probably smoke like it.
So first thing first, diagnose misfire.
Or does he want me to do an oil change first?
Well, he wants it to be running good, so probably misfire first.
You want to see something funny? Engine not equipped.
I'm pretty sure it's there, so the OBD can't read anything.
I can read the TPMS, airbags, guessing that means gauge cluster. Yes, just gotta wait for this.
So Sal knows it's not any of the coils on this side because he pulled each of the wires out, tested them. This side, you gotta take the intake off. That's a nice breeze. There's two of them?
Buddy, I changed plugs, I changed coil packs, injectors are fine.
Oh, it's still.
Yeah, it has
Yeah, I
perfect
know.
compression
That's
all
why I
around.
parked this car because it's driving me crazy.
I have spark, I have fuel.
How did you check the fuel?
I had the stick manifold off, I had Steve crank it over for me.
The injectors out?
Yeah, everything was hooked up.
The injectors was out?
No, they were in the manifold. You can see them spraying inside.
Yeah.
And the plugs are covering fuel anytime you pull them.
Are we getting spark?
We got spark.
For sure?
I tested multiple times. I have spare coil packs, same thing. I move coil packs around between cylinders. Same
It's
thing.
2-cylinder misfire?
It's these two. It's always those two.
Gotta figure it out, bro. Why did you give up?
I'm out of things to
No. No. Keep going. You got this? Alright. I'll give you another hour.
Okay.
A few minutes later.
It started to run fine. And it makes boost noises.
Yeah?
And it shoots smoke now because the exhaust is probably filled with fuel.
Yeah. All right, so let's show the people the problem. So we knew it was these two cylinders under here that were not firing right.
Yeah.
Checked plugs, checked ignition coil, checked fuel injectors, checked the fuel rail, checked compression, and then what was it?
Whoever worked on this before swapped the plugs.
Yeah.
The connectors for the coils.
So the wire that's supposed to go to this one went to that one. The wire that's supposed to go to that one went to that one, and that's it. And it's now nearly 6 o'clock, and you've been on this since
All day.
12. Can you see the smile on Salim's face? How's she feel? The bumper's falling off.
Yo, but what's that oil? Where's the oil coming from?
It smells like rubber.
Yo, take a look at that angle.
I was gonna say, look at those marks.
Whoa.
The marks are sideways.
Did you see the crab walk in the beginning?
You have too much angle, bro. Let's give it another go. Yo, round 2. Round 2. Fight. Mr. Krabs out here. Lord have mercy. Bro, this thing walks sideways. Where are you going?
I don't get to enjoy the ride. You cool down.
Temperatures are
My heart's not cool down.
See that second gear?
This thing actually rips.
Did it shred that second gear right
Hey,
there?
put on the bottom of the video, keeping my body man busy since 1999.
How's the supercharger sound?
It sounds insane. Like, it actually sounds really good.
How's the tires looking?
Tires? I don't know about the tires. Just move the bumper out the way. Check it.
Yo, we gotta fix the bumper. Who broke the glass?
I don't know. We got kind of like the British flag now.
No, it looks like a roll cage, a fake roll cage.
Roll cage.
You know, looking from here, it looks like a roll cage.
Yeah. Salim, you're protected.
Yo, you seen that crab walk?
You're crab walking a lot.
Come, Steve, come.
Yes, he's coming. Oh!
Yo, it's something with the fuel pump guarantees.
Yo! Once it's warm, it pops.
Oh man, the spark plugs are dying.
Oh.
What ride do we have in this? No, this is a Mishimoto. Okay. Yeah, we just gotta see where the oil's burning. Let's remove the valve cover. Once it starts backfiring like that, spark plugs are dying out. So they really shouldn't
So
do that.
it's not tuned to do that.
No, it's not. When the spark plug gaps end up closing because of the boost, realistically, you gotta gap the plugs after every track event.
At least we know she's running.
Oh yeah.
This is the house of drift.
The house of drift.